Example 2, what translation rule maps STUV onto S prime, T prime, U prime, V prime? So, again, a translation rule, if we're doing this, I'm going to have translation, and I'm going to put this little greater than, less than deal here, STUV equals S prime, T prime, U prime, V prime. That's what it's going to look like every time. We're going to translate something onto some image, right? So pre-image onto image. So the pre-image goes here, the image goes there. We're doing a translation, so a big T for translation. All I'm looking for is the horizontal and vertical movements here. So if I'm at S prime, or sorry, if I'm at S and I want to go to S prime, how do I get from S to S prime?
You go down 4 and then.
Okay, but we want to do X. We want to do horizontal first. Always horizontal first. How far do?
-1.
I go 1 left, right? So we're going 1 left, and then what? And then 4 down. Left being a negative movement, down being a negative movement. So I'm going 1 left and 4 down. The end. Okay, that's the answer. If you wanted to verify that's the right answer, first of all, they might not say what translation, well, they might say what transformation happened. So you have to determine, was it a reflection, was it a translation? We're going to do rotations in the next chapter. So if you verify that, hey, this is, I go 1 left and 4 down. Here, I go 1 left and I go 4 down. And you should see that all the vertices are affected the same way. All right? If it were a reflection and you think and you do a translation, all of a sudden one point does one thing, the other point does another thing, then it's not a translation. So if you look and see, again, it says translation, obviously it's translation, but if it says what transformation, then you might have to investigate further. It doesn't look like it's being reflected, it doesn't look like it's being moved. In the case of a rotation, which is the next chapter, does it look like it get twisted or turned? Those types of things. So those are the types of questions you're going to get in your homework. So either perform a translation and identify the vertices or determine the translation rule, which an answer should look like that.